We need C-type power bank module. Here is a battery input connection and 3.7 volts battery and 2 male pin. Let's start to do connection of our power bank. Attach 2 JST pin on positive and negative of the power bank. As you can see, connections have perfectly done. Let's plug the battery into the power bank module. Now it's time to check the charging function of the battery. Let's go to check the mobile charging function of the power bank module. As you can see, the power bank has started charging the phone, but this power bank is applicable for 1 ampere and 5 volt devices.
Like, subscribe and press the bell icon for new updates.